What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. I was just in the mood to pick up the camera and film, so that's what we are doing. So I don't really know quite yet what this video is going to be about, but I can tell you this right now. We're going to be taking off the duckbill. This is for sale if anybody wants it. I am actually going another route. We are doing another one of one on the G35. So I will give you guys a little hint as to how the new wing looks, and I hope you guys like it. Let's just say I got my inspiration from the Street Hunters kit for the Toyota Supra. If you guys know what it is I'm talking about. So let's go ahead and put these back in just so we don't lose them for the new owner. I did not have that on the car long at all, just a few months actually, but you know, just gotta keep kind of upgrading, if you know what I mean. So let me know what you guys think of it wingless. I think it looks pretty cool. It's definitely different. Now that it's wide body, I think it looks pretty cool wingless. One other thing that I actually did today as well off camera is I made a new floor. So we are not done yet, but we got a floor pretty much. I just have to make this side. As you can see, it is rised up about 1.5 inches. Reason for it is because the management underneath is on a stand and it stands up. So we had to make sure that the floor is above that. But we still have plenty of space. So we have this made. We have a piece here, nice and strong. It's just bolted in or like that, with some stands as well. Goes right around the tank. So we just have to make this side, and then what I'm actually going to do is get oh, I can see right now I have to cut this as well a little bit. It's a little close there. This side is perfect, but I am going to be, this is just the base of it. I am going to be getting either making a whole nether floor that goes above it, so it's gonna look pretty, then we're gonna wrap it, or two, I'm just gonna buy another carpet, which I think that's probably the route we will end up going. And then I am gonna make like some nice trimming that's gonna kind of go around here just to make everything flow and look a lot more presentable. But nonetheless, we do have a floor and I am super stoked about it. And then a quick update on the front bumper. If you guys have not seen my previous video, check it out. We finished pretty much the majority of the bodywork. And then I did shave as well the lights that were in here. Yes, there's quite a bit of, no, actually there's really not quite a bit of Bondo at all. Really what I did was I used plastic like I showed you guys in the previous video. And then once that was dry, sanded it, used 3M panel bonder as Bondo, smeared it, and then sanded that down, and now this is the final coat. So it still has to be sanded both sides, but I think that's gonna look pretty dope once that's done. Alright guys, there she is. Needs just a little bit more. The other one is pretty near perfect. This one just needs just a little bit more filler, and again I sanded most of it off. Okay, so it's very, very thin, but we just need a little bit more. You can see little indents like that. So other than that, we're good. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish this up. I'll pick up the camera when we primer it. This looks already so killer, dude. Like, I love it. Yeah, looks really good. Super stoked for it. Hit that thumbs up if you guys like that. Alright guys, so let's just fix this a little bit. Oh, I got something in my eye. I think that's good. Perfect. While we are waiting for the Bondo to dry, I do plan on making another full video about this, but I know I say it in quite a few of my videos. I still need to explain myself as to why everything on the interior is green and engine bay stuff is green. I know you guys already know, I've talked about it shortly before about it's to raise awareness for mental health. Now, I want to kind of give you guys a little brief story and the plan with the car. try to keep it as short as possible. But basically, a brief story is I've been suffering with anxiety, depression, and suicide attempts and thoughts over the past about 9 years now. And I've been through it all, pill addictions, suicide, all of it. I still suffer, but I'm a lot better. And I've learned a lot through myself, and I've learned a lot of who I am as a person and what I am capable of doing as a person. And my goal with this car is to just help people, you know, take it to mental health awareness fundraisers or whatever, you know. I want to have the car there to kind of just, you know, so people who are suffering with the same thing and haven't found their out yet, I guess you can say it, like who haven't found their peace of mind yet, you know, maybe this build will just kind of, for me it symbolizes, I built this whole car, okay? I suffer with anxiety, I suffer with depression. Sometimes you feel worthless, you feel like you can't do anything in life. Well, this car was my vision. This car I built myself right here in this garage, alone, completely by myself. And I just wanted to raise awareness that there's always light at the end of the tunnel. And excuse me guys, I'm not good with these kind of words. I don't really know how to express myself very well in this type of way. But I want this car to kind of symbolize that there is light at the end of the tunnel. If there's something you want to do and you're suffering, you feel like there's no hope for you, there is, okay? And this car is driving proof of it for me. And whether you're into sports or drawing or whatever it might be, electrical, I don't know, whatever it might be, pursue it. Use that as your escape from reality for a brief moment. When I'm out here in the garage, or when I'm inside actually I should say, and I feel down, I feel like shit, I feel like I don't want to do anything, I have no motivation, and sometimes, you know, it gets the better of me and I'll be inside for the whole day. But other times I come out here for the hour, half hour, 2 hours, however long it is I am out here, and I use it as my escape. I put music on, I talk to you guys, I work on my car, I escape from reality. And that's what this car is. This car, I want to raise awareness for that, okay? And so if you guys can help me, point me in the direction, because I've never done anything like this. I want to take this to charity events, fundraisers, whatever it may be. If you guys can point me in the direction, or maybe there's somebody watching this who really can help me out, please reach out to me. I will actually leave my email in the description below. Reach out to me please through email, and let's make something happen. But that's what this build is to me, and that's why we have the whole green theme on the interior. The engine bay, the brake calipers are gonna be going green. I'm trying to tie that into the build, and you know, take it to events to where, you know, people who are suffering, you know, could just kind of sit in there and just, I don't know, feel cool for a couple minutes, or kind of just escape reality for a little bit while they're sitting inside. I don't know really the whole vision yet, or the whole plan yet, but that's my goal for this build. So we will talk more about it in another video. We'll make a whole video on it, but I've been wanting to give you guys the rundown of what I've been through, what I am going through, and what this build means to me. So that's the plan. Anyways, yeah, reach out to me if you guys have any suggestions at all, or if you know somebody who could point me in the direction and help me with this. And subscribe, guys. This channel is becoming, it's always going to be car related, always, no matter what. But one thing that I've wanted to start doing in this channel is incorporating, you know, kind of like if you guys follow Evan Shanks, for example, at the end of every single video, he does quotes or inspirational things, you know, that he'll say to uplift, you know, whatever it is you may be going through in life. And that's what I want my channel to be about. I've been through some shit, guys, and I know what it's like to feel like you have nobody there, to actually have nobody there. I've been through it. So if I can help at least one person, that would mean the world to me. And that's what this channel is to me. So if you guys can subscribe if you guys are already, because I already know 79% of you guys watch my videos all the time, but you don't subscribe. Subscribe to my channel, guys. It really does mean everything to me. And not only that, but the more recognition we get, the more people I feel like I could reach out to, the more people I can help in the long run and make something of this channel rather than just a small time YouTube channel that does cool car stuff. You know, I want to actually reach out to people and help them. Sir! Oh, can't reach it. Let's... There's Donna's car. A little bit of different scenery, but she's out and she's extremely dirty. Oh man, but she looks good. Check, got the tuna, some fries. You guys got the same thing, huh?
No, I got chicken. The grilled chicken.
Bomb skis. Man, am I full. That was delicious. So I brought the camera along because usually there's always really cool cars that drive through here. Skylines, Ferraris, Lambos. I've seen it all. The day I bring the camera, not a single car. Disappointing. But heading back to the car now, and then I don't know, we'll see what we're gonna do at home. Let's see if we can get some some pops going. It is the next day, and my wing came in. Oh my god, boys. Oh. So you guys are not gonna see this in this video. I'm sorry, but I'm gonna unbox it, and then I'm gonna hold it onto the car, and I'm gonna get my reaction, and then hopefully it's a good reaction, because I don't know how this is gonna look. This has never been done, ever. I can guarantee you, ever. Oh my god, this is nuts. Okay, so I put it together partially. I say partially because I just put, you know, just not all the bolts in, just so we can see how it looks. And dude, let's go put it on the car. Okay, well, it doesn't look bad at all. I'd have to get used to that. It looks pretty cool. I mean, it's wide. It's definitely really wide. It, oh my god, it looks pretty cool. Try to see it over there. One issue though, it's too long. God, I need to clean everything up. It's so messy. It's too long, so it doesn't fit right. I want to show you guys so bad, but I'm not. Oh my god. It looks so good. To me. It really does. Oh, I wanna show you guys so bad, dude. I think we can make this fit actually. It doesn't need much trimming actually, looking at it. I just had it set in the wrong spot. Oh my god, it really does not need. Maybe angle that a little bit. Dude, this looks I don't know, it's so weird because like I've never had a wing this big before, ever. Ever. So it's, for me, it's weird seeing it, but it looks so good. Okay, I'm not gonna keep talking. You guys are gonna have to wait till the next video.